So in question number 6, the first one is from geometry. So in this given figure, D is the point on BC. Okay, D is the point on BC. So condition is angle BAD. Okay, this angle BAD is equals to angle C. Okay, this total angle. And AB is equal to 7 centimeters. The distance from A to B is 7 and BD is 4 centimeters. Two questions. First, we need to prove triangle ABD. Okay, ABD, this small triangle is similar to CBA. That means complete. This ABC triangle, you have to prove similar first. So let us take the given data and prove. Okay, in this first one. Okay, let us take the triangle. If we take the triangle ABC, and one more line, A to D is another point. A, B, C and D. So according to the given data, this angle. So angle BAD is equals to angle C. So this is the given. Let me write this. So given angle BAD is equals to angle C. That means BCA. And AB is equal to 7 centimeters. So AB is the 7 centimeters and BD 4 centimeters. So B to D is 4 centimeters. Okay, AB is equal to 7 centimeters and BD is equals to 4 centimeters. Now by using similarity between triangle ABD, so let us see the similarity from triangle. So two triangles are too similar, that let me take that both. So similar triangles, that means triangle ABD. See here, so ABD is triangle and CBA, and triangle CBA. This is total triangle. So if you observe, one is common angle, right? So in both angle ABD, if you observe, the common angle is here. It's the green blue color. This is the common angle for both. That means angle ABD is equals to angle ABC in these both triangles. So this is the common angle. To prove the similarity, we should use any one of the axiom. And angle BAD, that is already given. That is angle BAD is given angle C from triangle CBA angle C. So this is the given angle already. So whenever two angles are same in two triangles, then we can say these two triangles are similar. So therefore, from these two cases, triangle ABD is similar to triangle CBA. Okay, this is by double A axiom, angle axiom. When two angles are same, automatically third angle is equal, because sum of the angles in a triangle is 180 degrees, right? Now whenever two triangles are similar, the areas, ratio of the areas is squares of the corresponding sides. We know that. Okay, to prove the second one, so from this, so whenever two triangles are similar, then area of triangle ABD by area of triangle CBA. So ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equals to squares of the corresponding sides. So I am taking from ABD BD and from CBA AB. Squares. Okay, BD and AB. Because that value is only given. Okay, AB is given and BD is given. So AB is from total and BD is from this. Corresponding sides are squares of the corresponding sides. So that is BD is equals to 4 square by AB is already given 7 square. So 4 squared by 7 squared is 16 by 40. Okay, 4 square is 16, 7 square is 49, right? Then if you take these values, so from this we can know what we need to prove. So area of ABC and area of ADC. ABC and ADC. So let's take this. Okay, now let us see here. So what we need to find out is different. Area of ABC by area of ADC. So ADC is this, right? And ABC is total. So we need to take like this. Let me take this reciprocal first. So from this, area of triangle CBA or ABC by area of triangle ABD is equals to 49 by 16. Now just subtract 1 both sides. I am taking -1 both sides. So this is -1 and -1. Then area of triangle ABC minus area of triangle ABD, right, by area of triangle ABD. Then this is 49 minus 16 by 16. Now area of ABC minus area of ABD. So by subtracting this both from this total triangle, ABC, if I subtract this ADC, so this ABD if I subtract, remaining is ADC only. Okay, from this total, if ABD if I subtract, so this part if I subtract, the remaining is area of triangle ADC. Okay, we need to get that only here, ADC, and again ABC also we need. So ABC by ADC. So then by applying this both, then by interchange, so we can confirm this, because area of triangle ABC, because already ABC is 49, 7 square, and area of triangle ADC, that is 49 minus, this is 49 minus 16, this is reciprocal, so 49 by 33, 49 minus 16. So therefore we can conclude that area of triangle ABC is to same area of triangle ADC is equals to 49 is to 33. Right? So we can solve in this. Just to see which triangle we need to solve, that we can take. And let me see next one. Find the number of terms of geometric sequence. If A1 is 3, AN is 96 and SN is 189. We need to find out the number of terms. That means N value we need to find out. Let's take this. So let R be the common ratio. So our ratio is not given. Let R be the common ratio. So as per the given data, that A1 is equals to 3 and AN is equals to 96. Nth term is 96. Then AN formula is A into R to the power n minus 1, right? That is 96. Now A1 is nothing but 3 only, that is also A. You can substitute A into R to the power n minus 1 is equal to 96. Just to solve this, by cancellations, 3 ones are 332. Then R power n minus 1 is R to the power n by R is 32. Now from this, R to the power n is equals to 32R. So let it be equation 1. Now if you see here, Sn is given, sum of n terms is 189. Now let's take this Sn, sum of n terms, you know it. Then Sn formula, that is A into R to the power n minus 1 by R minus 1, right? So A is already given 3 and R to the power n minus 1 by R minus 1 is already given 189. Now from equation 1, R power n will substitute as 32R in this. That is 3 into, in the place of R power n, 32R I am substituting, minus 1 by R minus 1 is equals to 189. Now just by doing cross multiplications, we will get the R value. That is 32r minus 1 is equals to 189 into r minus 1 is 3. So you can take divide by 3. You can cancel 3 ones are 3. 63. Okay. Then just simplify this. So 32r minus 1 is equal to 63r minus 63. Take the r terms one side. So 63r minus 32r is equals to 63 minus 1. So that is 62. 63 minus 32. 31. 31r. Then r is equals to 2. So common ratio is 2. Once you get the common ratio, you can find out. Okay, first one is what you need to find out? Nth term. So number of terms. N value you need to find out. Then r power n. R value got 2. Then r to the power n is equals to, if you see your starting, r to the power n is equals to 32r, right? From equation 1, r to the power n is equals to 32r. So from this r value is 2. So 2 to the power n is equals to 32 into 2, that is 64. So when 2 power n is 64, 64 also you can write 2 to the power 6. Then n is equal to 6. So number of terms is 6. Okay. Hence number of terms is 6. We can confirm that. Now let us see this geometry question 1. In the given figure, I is the in center. See, I is the in center of triangle ABC, and I is the not the center of the circle. Just I is the in center of triangle ABC, and AI is produced to meet the circumcircle of triangle ABC at D. So angle ABC is 54 and angle ACB is 64. This is 64. Calculate angle BCD. BCD. So if you join this, let us find out these 4 values. Let me take the diagram. So circle and I is the in center, right? So in this circle is, we'll take and find the in center. Let me draw the circle first. And ABC is the triangle. ABC is triangle and I is the in center. That is touching the circle at D. Now let me join these points. And should join at I. So this is A, B and C, and it will be D. So this is the I, that is in center. In center means by bisecting angles we'll get. So angle A is bisected, and this complete angle B is 54 degrees, and this angle C is the 64 degree. Okay, now let us see the question. First you need to find out angle BCD. BCD. So value you need to find out BC. So this angle. So I is the point of intersection of the 3 bisecting angles. So angle ABC. Now to see these values, angle BCD. So if you observe, we need to know that same segment. Angles in the same segment are equal. Therefore angle BCD. So whatever BCD is equals to BAD, right? If you observe, for example, BD is the chord and BAD and BCD is must same because angle is in the same segment, because BD is one chord. So B to AD, because this angle and this blue mark which I made, BAD and BCD. This both must be equal. If I find out this angle is enough. Okay, we can find the angle A first. So if you want angle A, that is 180 minus sum of this 54 plus 64. 54 plus 64. Then we can get that angle BAC, that is 62 degree. And that is divided into two parts because it's divided. So this is 31 and this 31. Then this also angle 31 degrees. Therefore, angle BCD is equals to 31 degrees, right? Then angle CBD. Okay, next one is CBD. If you observe CBD, so this side, this is also same rule. For example, C is the chord, so whatever angle is the same segment. So this one and this red. So these two angles are same. So okay, DC is the chord, and so DBC and DAC angles in the same segment are equal. So this also must be 31. That means angle CBD. So CBD is equals to again CAD, right? Angle CAD. If you observe, there is also 31 degrees only because angle in the same segment. Okay. Angles in same segment are equal. So this property is only applied for both. Now let us see next one, angle DCI. If you observe DCI, this total angle you need to find out. If you observe already this DCB we got. Now this total 64 we should divide into two parts. If you observe, this 64 is here and here two equal parts. That means angle ACI and ICB. This is 64 divided by 2. So let me take this step. If you want to find out angle DCI, so DCI. So DCI is equals to DCB plus angle DCB. Already got, that is 31. DCB plus and half of the angle ACB, because that is bisected. Then we can add this both. So angle DCB is already 31 degrees plus half of that 64. Then 31 plus 32, half of the 64. So 63 degrees. So angle DCI is 63 degrees, right? Then similarly, if you observe next one, BIC, angle BIC, see here, angle BIC is the middle center angle, that is this total angle you need to find out. So to find out this angle, I is the not center, this is incent radius. Now BIC is a triangle, BIC is a triangle, then we know already IBC and ICB. Then 180 minus sum of subtracted both. So if you observe right here, so angle BIC we need to find out. So that is equals to 180. From total 180, subtract this two angles. So I use the color. This angle and this. That means IBC and ICB. IBC angle plus ICB. This both angles you need to subtract. They are both nothing but half of the 54 and half of the 64. So 180 minus, so half of the 54 plus half of the 64, because exactly it's angle bisected. Just cancel this. 180 minus half of the 54 is a 27 and this is 32. So 180 minus 27 minus 32 is 59. That's it. That is 121 degrees is angle BIC, right? It's very simple. You just only need to understand clearly and should carefully observe the angles which two should take. Fine. So this way I can solve this. And let us see some trigonometry questions in 7th and we'll solve this in evening sums.